This is a Pixel Pal. It's a light-up collectible desk toy. Now, they have Pixel Pals for almost everything in the world of geek culture, from gaming to cartoons to movies, and they light up with batteries, or you can get a USB adapter that lets you plug them in if you prefer to stay wired. We have about 35 Pixel Pals here in the Newegg studio, so let's quickly go ahead and check them out. Here you can see two Pixel Pals that are still in the box, Luigi and Ha Trio, which it's hilarious to me that he's called Hot Ryu. It's because he has no shirt and a beard, which apparently makes you very attractive. Let's move on and check out a few more. If you are a Ninja Turtles fan from back in the 80s, you might say Cowabunga, or if you're a more recent Turtles fan, you'd say Booyakasha. But either way, here we've got Shredder, Leonardo, Raphael, and a Foot Clan member. My favorite turtle, personally, is Donatello. He has the best reach in video games, and he's the smart guy. But you pick your poison. On to the next. If you're big into Mortal Kombat, you might want to pick up Scorpion, Sub-Zero, and Raiden. And look, Raiden even has electric powers. Next. Now for a little bit more of a rando pairing. This is from a Marvel vs. Capcom head-to-head set, so you get both these guys in the same box. We've got Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy and Chris Redfield from Resident Evil. And I think they paired them together because Chris is a member of the Raccoon City PD. See what they did there? All right, let's check out some more. Tomb Raider fans, you gotta give it up for my girl Lara, and I like that there are Pixel Pals for kind of the different iterations of Lara. So this one over here is more retro Lara Croft. It looks like she's got a gun in her hand, and then we have more recent Lara Croft with the pickaxe. Remember how we had Hot Ryu before? This is, I guess, average looking Ryu, regular Ryu over here with Ken and Chun-Li. And I believe we even have a third Ryu hanging out somewhere in this office that we'll get to a little later in this video. Stay tuned. Pixel Pals makes a ton of Street Fighter characters, and you can see here we have even more. We've got Cammy and Bison and Pink Chun-Li. For our comic book fans, there are plenty of comic book characters to choose from. Here you can see Batman and Joker, and there's also a Harley Quinn on the site that we don't have here in studio, but that I would personally be very interested in acquiring, Pixel Pals. Now, this pairing may look strange to you, being that we have Superman, Wonder Woman, and Captain Marvel. We were gonna make the Justice League, but then who would go with Joker? It's a big question. And then we were debating who would win in a fight between these three, and my initial thought was Captain Marvel would obviously win because she's so OP. However, Captain Marvel is kind of the Superman of her universe, so I don't know. You debate it. Leave it in the comments below. Next, we have Spongebob and Patrick, and Spongebob is kind of the Superman of his universe, so who would win in this fight? I feel like they match it out in A Pineapple Under the Sea. Let us know. We're coming to the end, so our groupings are getting a little bit more random here, but here we have a video game assortment, if you will. We have Link from Old School Legend of Zelda. We've got the Dragon Board from the Skyrim box art, and Ratchet just hanging out here. If any of these suit your fancy, you might want to pick one of these up. Here we have another Marvel vs. Capcom head-to-head duo featuring Gamora and Ryu, just regular Ryu, not Hot Ryu. Hot Ryu has no shirt and a beard, so here we have shirtless Ryu, but he's missing the beard. So I guess moderately attractive Ryu. Now for the Kingdom Hearts assortment. Say what you will about Kingdom Hearts 3, but we all love these characters, right? So we've got Goofy, Mickey, Donald Duck, and Sora himself, even with the Keyblade. Here, wait, ready? We've got Goofy, Mickey, Donald, and Sora. A full party ready to take on the Heartless. So those are Pixel Pals. Let us know which one's your favorite in the comments, and check out the link in the description below to see the selection on Newegg.com.